is true is what I am about to tell you. You made a mistake and you insisted that you follow through. You say it's great to have these enlarging experiences. We were married woman, we shared our expenses. This is not time to go try being 21 again. This is not time, even though Delilah graduated when before you left about she's at another school. And you were such a good mother, I guess you figured it would be cool to bail now. The kids all raised up, I did my best for you, Eric. I bought you all kinds of stuff like clothing and socks, shirts and necessities, things you needed, and I always tried to please you in that kind of way. I don't wanna say crass things or have innuendos, but you know I took care of those needs of yours, Eric. Yeah, I know that. I didn't dispute that, and I want to grow that line of thinking sometimes, but I go back instead. I'll say, nah, maybe someday I'll be famous, I'll get a redhead and say, hey there, you look kinda sexy. Would you like to be my mom? I am looking for a caregiver. I am looking for a caregiver. Woman wanted must be ISFJ and must agree that I'm super cool every day and must make me something to eat when I'm hungry, or at least hire somebody to make it for me, honey. I'm not asking you to be a traditional wife. I don't expect you to be waiting for me at the end of the night with your pajamas in your hand, saying, let me bend over, Eric. I'd say, well, that's good, that's cool, I suppose, but that's not really a good time for that right now, because I just got home and I feel all sticky and gross, and you're kind of propositioning me too aggressively or something. Anyway, I want a woman, an ISFJ. I want a woman to come in and be mommy today. I need her to keep track of schedules, to keep track of me, to kiss all my boo-boos when I scrape my knee. I need a woman to come in. I want her to notice when I'm cold or hungry, and then do something, take care of my needs. And when I say thank you, baby, you'll be satisfied. You know that you've got a good life and that I'll always arrive to facilitate your interests and your endeavors too. I like to play at cool stuff. How about you? Yeah, I'm looking for a woman, not a man, because I am heteronormative, Stan. Just like they say at college, what you shouldn't be. I am not that, because see, I don't dislike gay people. I just prefer to have sex with women over men, because women are more fun for that. So then what, Eric? I don't mean to be heteronormative, but I would like a woman. I don't mean to be heteronormative, but I would like a woman. I want one who kinda doesn't mind traditional roles. I don't care if she's got those political opinions backing up her positions on women, but I'm saying I'd like her to be cooperatively agreeable with me instead of always assuming that I'm doing something terribly, terribly wrong. I'm looking for a woman, please. I'm looking out there for an ISFJ with knees who can say, hey, Eric, these are my knees. Say good day. You've got to work on manners or you will be seen mean everybody running away from you, and your bad manners and your low FE. Yeah, always offending everybody, possibly with your rudeness, with your claims, with your aggressive nature and games, with your thinking geeks. Okay, it's okay to always debate, but it's not. But I don't want you to tell me that, woman. I get it. I know already. Let's try this one more time. Ready? Because I'm looking for a woman out there in the world. I don't mean to be heteronormative, but I would like a woman for me, even though it's heteronormative. Gee, I want to have a woman for me. She could enjoy intimacy, and we could engage in intimacy. Why, I could make intercourse intimacy, and then that would just be one part of the equation. I guess I would let some love happen to me. The equation, I guess I would let some love happen to me. The equation, I guess I would let some love happen to me. The equation, I guess I would let some love happen to me.